It should be a lifestyle. The minimalism is really a lifestyle.
Ano yung maling akala ng mga tao pagdating naman sa home improvement?
Ay nako, eto, haharap ako sa kanila.
Yes.
Architect, I want a minimalist house. Sobrang yun ang trend. Plus at the same time, yan yung madalas na sinasabi. I want a simple, minimalist house. Pero on a budget. Hindi porket sinabi mong minimalist, maliit lang gagastusin mo sa construction. You know why? Because it's a case-to-case basis. Nowadays, ang in na bilhin natin is yung mga compact houses, condos, yan. Yung mga maliliit lang talaga, which is good for small families,
Yes.
di ba? Tapos, good for investment din.
Yes.
Yan. So, that's what we do. That's what we get. Pero kasi, minimalism for me, yes, it's a design, but it's more of a lifestyle for Filipinos.
Tama.